Need to mark an exact location in Google Maps? Here's the quickest way to drop, save, and share a pin on Android. Hook. Want to save a place that doesn't have an address or share an exact location with someone? Google Maps lets you drop a pin anywhere in just a few taps. Step 1. Open the Google Maps app on your Android phone. Search for a location or move around the map manually. Step 2. Navigate to the exact spot where you want to place a pin. Zoom in if needed for better accuracy. Step 3. Press and hold on the location for a few seconds. A red pin will automatically appear on the map. Step 4. Release your finger once the pin is placed. The location details panel will open at the bottom. Step 5. Tap directions if you want navigation to that exact spot. Google Maps will create a route instantly. Before we continue, subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more practical Google Maps tips and Android tutorials. Step 6. Select Save to add the location to one of your lists. This makes it easier to find again later. Step 7. Tap Share to send the pinned location to others. You can share it through messaging apps, email, or social media. Step 8. Choose Label if you want to give the location a custom name. This helps you identify it quickly in the future. Step 9. Enter a label such as home, work, school, or any custom name. Then save the label to your Google Maps account. Step 10. To remove a label later, open the pinned location and select Edit Label. Tap Remove and the custom label will be deleted. That's it. Your location pin is now saved, labeled, or ready to share directly from Google Maps.